Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC i-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I'll probably symbolically hand over to that empty chair and then talk to President Trump and say, even though you are not here, I am now handing over to you.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa obehlolisisa isimo sezingxenye zaseGoli namhlanje ngaphambi kwengqungquthela iG20 uthe akubathena amandla ukuhoxa kweMelika kanye nomengameli waseChina uXi Jinping abangeke bayithamele lengqungquthela.
Namhlanje we are very proud ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi simele umphakathi waseGauteng.
Iphuzile imizamo ye-Democratic Alliance eGauteng yokuchitha ngevoti esikhundleni undunankulu wesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesufi emva kokuthi iningi lamaqembu esishayamthetho enqabile ukuvota ndawonye ne-DA.
When the initial inquiry came to me and it had made reference to Mr. Vusimusi Madlala, I didn't know the gentleman from a bar of soul.
Ikhomishana kaMadlanga izo ukuthi uLieutenant Colonel Kilibogile Thipa okhulumela i-EMPD walisingethe kanjani udaba lwamalambu alihlaza oluthinta ibamba lenhloko yamaphoyisa e-EMPD esimisiwe esikhundleni uBrigadier Julius Mkhwana.
It's a friendly game, and for me it's not a friendly game. It's a game that I want to win.
Qeqeshwa khona abafana uHugo Brush uthi bazowuthatha njengobalekile umdlalo wobungani neZambia kusasa ntambama njengoba sebezophuthula amalungiselelo omqhudelwano iAFCON. Nabenyathika ndaba ejame ngomkhonto phezulu komzimvubu libumbene lomkhothi ihora angandi ngomlomo njengesiqabetho amhlale kuzone ithonto nazindaba. Njengoba iMelika inqume ukungalibhadi unyawo lwayo la eNingizimu Afrika izokwethamela ingqungquthela iG20, umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uzokwedlulisela isikhundla sobuholi bale ngqungquthela ezizobe singasenamuntu. Umengameli wezwe ukusho lokhu ngesikhathi eyingxenye yomkhankaso wokukhuculula namhlanje eyingxenyeni ezithile zaseGoli.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ingqungquthela ye-G20 izoqhubeka ngaphandle kwelaseMelika njengoba esikhathini esingangesonto eNingizimu Afrika izosingatha lengqungquthela ezokwethanyelwa ngabaholi bamazwe omhlaba abangaphezulu kwama-40. uRamaphosa uthi kuzoba umzuzu ongejwayelekile uma sekufanele edlulisela amandla ezweni elizoba ngosokhaya abalandelayo be-G20 okuyizwe laseMelika elizobe lingekho engqungqutheleni yakulonyaka.
We hand over to an empty chair, but the empty chair will be there. Probably symbolically hand over to that empty chair and then talk to President Trump and say, even though you are not here, I am now handing over to you the reins of chairing or being president of the G20.
Bangaphezulu kekhulu nama-50 abantu basePalestina abagunyazwe ukuzokhoseliswa kuleli izolo yize bebengenazo izincwadi ezifanelekile. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi bekungeke kube yisithombe esihle ukubuyisela kwabo emuva empini eqhubekayo nelakwa-Israel.
A people that we as South Africa have raised our hands to support. We felt that we should accept them and process their matter.
Okamanje inhlangano ehlinzeka ngosizo eGifts of the Givers inikele ngendawo yokufihla ikhanda kulabo basePalestina abafike bezokhoseliswa eNingizimu Afrika.
Mbukele sipontshile isiphakamiso se-DA sokungabethemba ubuholi bukandunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi amaqembu ezombusazwe amaningi esishayamthetho sesifundazwe asikhahlele ngazo zombili isiphakamiso se-DA. I-DA ibifunela uSifa aphume esikhundleni sokuba undunankulu njengoba imsolwa ngokuthi wehluleke wancama ukusungula amathuba emisebenzi kanye nokuthuthukisa amathuba okutshalwa kwemali la esifundazweni.
Amatha abuyele kwasifuba eqenjini iDemocratic Alliance eGauteng njengoba ibizimisele ngokuchitha undunankulu wesifundazwe uPanyaza Lesufi ngevoti lokungabethemba ubuholi bakhe. Amaqembu angahambisani nalesiphakamiso se-DA athabe ngeke avote ndawonye naleli qembu.
We all agreed that this motion is frivolous, that it's reckless and that it will create unnecessary instability, and that the government of provincial unities working so well.
As the IFP, we could not support a motion that will plunge our province again into a crisis of not having a government. Therefore, for us, we see it as just political posturing. It has nothing to do with issues that have been raised. The issues, the DA has all the rights. They are members of the legislature. They sit in all portfolio committees. They must hold the Premier accountable.
You know, it's an open secret that they are the ones who actually voted for Panyaza Lesufi in on the basis that he would have obviously exercised patronage and offered them some level of strategic portfolios that they need to run, and subsequently to that, they had removed and divorced themselves away from this.
Alomholi we-DA yesishayamthetho sase-Gauteng uthi lokho abakuboni njengokwehluleka kepha bayazigqaja ngomzamo wabo.
Ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi simele umphakathi waseGauteng lapho khona uJazondo wile wasitshela ereportini yakhe kuZondo Commission ukuthi singamaqembu wepolitiki kumele ukuthi sibambe igovernment to account, and this is one of the things ebesiyenza namhlanje ukuthi sibambe igovernment to account.
Phakathi kwezinye zezinto iDemocratic Alliance ekhala ngazo kubalwa udaba lombiko we-SIU ngenkohlakalo eyayenzeka emnyangweni wezempilo esifundazweni kanye nokuqashwa kophiko olulwa nobugebengu esifundazweni olwaziwa ngamapanyaza.
I-ANC ithupha unegama olusetshenziswa yiqembu MK liyaqhubeka nokudida abalandeli nokuphazamisa i-ANC okhethweni. I-ANC inikele enkantolo yokwedlulisa kweyinqumo zezinye inkantolo eBloemfontein eFree State ifuna kuhoxiswa isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini KwaZulu-Natal eyavuna iqembu MK embangweni okusetshenziswa kwegama kanye nophawu lweqembu.
I-ANC iqagule ukuthi inkantolo ebhekelele ezokhetho ngenxa yongabi nalo igunya namandla anele yehluleka ukuthatha isinqumo ngecala eliphuthumayo elafakwa yiqembu ngaphambi kokhetho likazwelonke ngonyaka odlule.
From that date, the 24th of November, I wasn't involved, but the ANC understood. Listen, we're barking up the wrong tree. We're in the wrong place about this. They launch in the right, which is that the ANC actually had a choice. It could have gone the electoral route because it had an earlier registered name with the electoral bodies, which was very similar to the one that MK sought to register, and it had a registered trademark right.
I-MK Party itshele inkantolo ukuthi ANC ichitha isikhathi ngokuletha lolu daba inkantolo okudluliselwa kwamacala emumva kokuchithwa inkantolo ephakeme yaseThekwini.
It didn't challenge the dismissal of its appeal by the IEC. And that's why we say it acquiesced, it waived its rights. It then accepted, oh well, it is what it is. MK will continue and so on, and it folded its arms.
I-MK Party thengisho ekusungulweni kwalo iqembu kwakucacelene singaboni ukuthi abukho nokuncane ubuhlobo ne-ANC.
Forming of MK Party is an act of disassociation. It's not an act of association. It's saying don't vote for the ANC, vote for us. They're not saying no, vote for us, but you know we're all in the same club and all that. They are doing the exact opposite of that. And if you read former President Zuma's speech that my learned friend referred to, that's the gist of what it says. It says, I'm not going to vote for the ANC. I'm calling all of South Africans not to vote for the ANC.
Inkantolo isigodlile isinqumo kulolu daba.
Commissioner kaMadlanga izwe ukuthi uLieutenant Colonel Kilibohile Thipa okhulumela iMPD walisingethe kanjani udaba lwamalamba lihlaza olithinta ibamba yenhloko lamaphoyisa eMPD esimisiwe esikhundleni oBrigadier uJulius Mkhwanazi.
Kuqhubekile ukuvela kwezenze eziphambene nomthetho zebamba lenhloko yamaphoyisa eMPD elisamisiwe uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi njengoba ukhulumela yona iMPD uLieutenant Colonel Kilibohile Thipa ethema ngabethula ubufakazi wacacisa ukuthi uthinteka kanjani uMkhwanazi odabeni lomalamba hlaza.
Commissioners, when the initial inquiry came to me and it had made reference to Mr. Vusimusi Madlala, I didn't know the gentleman from a bar of soap. I only got to learn of him as things transpired within the city and South Africa in its entirety. But above all, the fact that communication would be restricted in one office.
Ikomishana izwe nokuthi ngoNtulikazi ngo2023 uthi bawahlaselwa abalisa abathathu esemontweni bamkhomba ngesibhamu.
I think what hurt me the most with everything that was said at that point, it was then it is things that are work related, and the fact that they want a phone from me and the information which they want.
Kusenjalo ikomishana ifike kwesinye isigaba ngesikhathi eqala ukwethula ubufakazi obizwa ngo-Witness D. Lo fakazi ugxile odabeni olubekwe ethebeni zekomishana nokuwudaba lokubulawa komphathi wesitolo nokulahlwa kwesidumbu sakhe edamini okusola ukuthi kwenziwa yithimba elalawulwa nguBrigadier Mkhwanazi.
Shortly afterwards they returned to where we were. JD Mkhwanazi said that we needed to throw the suspect's body into a mine shaft.
Izoqhubeka nokulalela ubufakazi ngomsombuluko.
Mbukile sathu ku eyitolo kanti ngoba sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthini.
My wish is that maybe if the court can do something fast, because we sometimes ask permission from work.
Basazoqhubeka gcina isitoksini osiliso sola ngokubulala ababili eBushbuck Ridge okuhlobene nemali yabasuke belimele engozini zomgwaqo. Mbukela sikubingelele uma ngabe usanda kungena asikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba zatholakala ke ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena okumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba usekhona uzakwethu ovivile ukuza kufakele zona ku YouTube uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo.
Kule nyanga wonke amehla azobethe njo eNingizimu Afrika kanti SABC izokuthulela bukhoma ingqungquthela ye-G20 njengomsakazelo semthethweni. Thola konke okwenzekayo estations zomsakazo ze-SABC eziyishumi-nesishiyagalombili. Kumabonakude bukela kusakaza okukhethekile ku-SABC News Channel, SABC Lehaye kanye na-SABC 1, 2 no 3. Thola yonke imininingwane ezinkundleni zokuxhumana nasesiteshini esikhethekile se-G20. G20 South Africa 2025 siletha ekhaya.
Mbukele sisemome ingqungquthela undaba mlonyeni iSABC izokwethulela isiteshi esikhethekile sokusakaza lenqophamlando.
Kuhle ukuthi kuyona le channel SABC News Live sizoba ne-content yesinguni ezobe ifundisa nge-G20 ukubaluleka kwayo nokubaluleka kokuthi thina siyi-host as i-South Africa. Sizobe sifundisa i-content yakhona izobe ikhuluma kubantu abadala izobe ikhuluma nasentsheni which is interesting. Number 1 i-channel le ukungena kuyona all you need is access to internet. You log on go SABC Plus, la izobe iphuma khona SABC News Live, ufake your name, isibongo sakho, igama lakho, ufake phone number yakho, so une access. You can watch noma ingabe isiphi isikhathi.
Ogcina isitoksini wesiliso sola ngokubulala abantu ababili abahlomula ku Road Accident Fund eseselane eBushbuck Ridge esifundazweni eMpumalanga uSitwell Khosa. Ummeli kaKhosa ucele inkantolo yemantshi yaseMhala ukuba iwahlehlise amacala abhekene noKhosa.
Asiphumelelanga isicelo sebhayili yomsolwa uSitwell Khosa oneminyaka engama-47 ubudala. Abaphenyi batshele inkantolo ukuthi uKhosa unezincwadi ezimbili ezimgunyaza ukuphuma ngaphandle kwezwe ekubeni wayeveze eyodwa kuphela ngesikhathi eboshwa.
According to the affidavit from the Home Affairs, it says he has got 2 passports, which means he has hidden one, he has given the state one. So we requested for a postponement that the officers from Home Affairs must come to show the court that what happened to the first passport.
Imndeni yashonelwa ngamalungu ayo izwakalise ukhathazeka ngokuhlehliswa kwecala. Kafushane uthi ukuhlehlisa kwaleli icala akubaphathi kahle neze bafisa ngabe umbuso usuyaphothula kuleli cala.
Mara yathemba ku
Umphakathi obuse enkantolo ubuzokweseka imindeni yalahlekelwa ngokubulawa kwamalungu ayo.
My wish is that maybe if the court can do something fast, because we sometimes ask permission from work, struggle to get money to come here, but we promise to go with these things until to the end.
Icala lihlehliselwa umhlazi ngama-24 kulenyanga lapho kuzolalelwa khona isicelo sebheyili.
Owesilisa amaphoyisa athi uyena owanika umkhondo ngecala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uthi iphathimandla zamthumba kwasehlanganisa istatement esasejuyena noma yena wathi umsola oqala umuzi sibiya kanye nomsola wesibili uBongantanzi bayabandakanyeke kubulaweni kaMeyiwa. uAbsalom Zungu yayiqhelelanisa nalesi statement okuthiwa sabhalwa uyena.
Advocate Charles Mnisi eqhubeka nokufunda istatimende esalethwa uBrigadier Gininda esabhalwa ufakazi phambi kwenkantolo Absalom Zungu. uZungu uthi akazani nakho konke okwalethwa uGininda phambi kwenkantolo.
He was told by the brother of Mafiga, who is not Mpekiseni, that Mafiga Ntanzi committed the murder with Muzi Sibiya, who is also from Wanongoma. In other words, Brigadier Gininda says or said that as he was writing this statement, you told him what I've just read here.
Azengosho mina baba ekhuluma bona ngithenga ngakubeka eqaleni ukuthi kwalo nkantolo le police station akaze ngiye kuyo angiyazi negama la kodwa lokho kubhalwe la zonke izinto ebebengithathe bekwenza bekukhuluma ukuthi nguvume konke lokho bebengithathe ngempoqo.
Estatementeni yoGininda uthi uZungu wakhomba isithombe sikaMuzi Sibiya sathathwa ke leso sithombe sahlanganiswa nestatemente asenza.
Isithombe engisaziyo ilese engikhulume ngaso ngiqala ukukhuluma.
Yes.
Ngithi mina ngikhonjiswa uConstable Zungu engikhombisa ukuthi uyamazi lo. Engikhombisa efonini yakhe. Lempumalanga hayi la.
Thank you.
Ngathi mina ngiyamazi lo.
Owabe yiphindela kangqongqoshe wezobuciko namasiko uNtombazana Botha uchazwe njengeqhawekazi belibambe elikhulu iqhaza ekuthuthukiseni umphakathi. uBotha obeneminyaka engama-82 ubudala ufihlwe eMonti eEastern Cape namhlanje.
Izithethi kulomngcwabo zemfaniselo kaBotha njengomuntu obeliqhawe ekulweni namalungelo amanina. Ebengumuntu odlala indima ebonakalayo ekukhuliseni umbutho weANC ngexesha lobandlululo. Abo bebesebenza naye bathi bengumuntu obezinikele emsebenzini wakhe.
uMamBotha ungumuntu uphuhliso ebelazi eluqonda nengcambu zalo. Ebekwazi ubona iprogram esiza ukuthi xa eziqhuba ezo programs zizise utshintsho lokwenyani kwimpilo zabantu.
Ukanti noRhulumente wephondo uyanqenelana noku.
Ebengumuntu ke ofikelelekayo kuba ixesha elininzi bezakuhlala engumuntu osicebisayo apha embuthweni ukuthi kwingxaki ezikhoyo embuthweni nazi izisombululo.
Usapho lwakhe lona luthi liza kumkhumbula njengomuntu obeyintsika yekhaya.
Ebengumuntu ngoyiki into kuthiwe kukhona into enzima kuye bengenanto enzima.
Lo kaBotha ushiya ngasemva udade wabo unyana kunye nesizukulwana. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba zeSABC eMonti.
Umqeqeshi wabafana bafana Hugo Brochuti uzowuthatha njengobalekile umdlalo wobungane neZambia kusasa ntambama eNingizimu Afrika izotholana phezulu neChipolopolo enkundleni Nelson Mandela eGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape.
Abadlali bebafana bafana babonakalise impawu sokuzimisela ngelixa bebezilolonga. Umqeqeshi weliqela ubonakala enamaqhinga amatsha ukulungiselela lo mdlalo.
It is a friendly game, and for me it's not a friendly game. It's a game that I want to win, and I ask from the players tomorrow the same concentration, focus, mentality, what they showed already in the previous months and years, and I want to win the game tomorrow.
Lo mqeqeshi uphinde wathi ufuna ukunika abadlali abatsha babonakalise izakhono zabo.
No, that depends a little bit of how the game will go. Again, what I said a few minutes ago, I want to win the game. And if we have the opportunity to give them some minutes or more minutes to play, we will certainly do it.
Umqeqeshi wabafana bafana uHugo Broos uza kusebenzisa lo mdlalo ngenzame sokunyukela kunqanaba eliphezulu kwiFIFA neCAF. Lamaqela amabini aza kusebenzisa lo mdlalo ukulungiselela itumente yeAFCON kwinyanga kaDisemba kulizwe laseMorocco. Ndinguzolani Moya wandaba zeSABC seGqeberha.
Uma ngabe sibuye itolo mbukeliso bese kubhekela ukuthi sinjani isimo sezulu lapha eMkhalaqhude eMawozeni nalapha kwaThemba. Sekuqisa lapha ebesikuphathile zona kodwa ke ungakhohlwa ukuthi njengoba isisemoma engqungquthela iG20 SABC yenza konke okusemandleni ukuthi nawe usekhaya ukwazi ukulandelela ukuthi kwenzekani kanti khona i-pop-up channel ezobisakaza indaba ngolunye lwesiNguni ukuze uma ngabeza laba bakhetha isiNgisi ukwazi ukulalela ulandela kusakahle.